Hello YouTube. Today we are in a 2025 Honda Pilot. This video should apply to Honda Pilots from 2023 to 2026, current generation Pilots. What we're doing here today is inspecting the cabin air filter. It's a very easy job on these vehicles. Let's get started. So first off, we'll open the glove box. Let the glove box open. The next order of business is this check strap for the glove box door. This is what dampens the motion so it doesn't just slam open. You see the ridges here will push down towards the floor until we hear it click. And as you can see, what that does is it unhooks it from the glove box door. So from here, we'll push the sides of the glove box inward. So what we're doing is we're just pushing inwards right here, which releases the glove box from the rest of the dash. So with the glove box door out of the way, we can look into the opening, and now we see the lid for the cabin air filter. There are two latches, as you can see here. There's one on this side and one on this side. So we'll push on the latches and pull the lid towards the rear. A little bit hard to do with the camera in a way. But as you can see, there's an airflow arrow, as well as the arrows indicating which way to push the latches to remove the lid. And from here, the air filter simply pulls out of the opening. Keep track of the airflow arrow here. Points down in these vehicles. And the air filter simply pulls out. So basically reverse of removal. Of course, clean anything here that you might find when you pull the old one out. The new one installs just reverse of removal. Very simple. Just set it in the slot there. And then we'll offer up the lid, get it lined up, and then latch it by two. So as you can see here, it's latched, and now we can go back to putting the glove box back into its normal configuration. So pretty easy here. We'll just push the glove box back closed, but until we hear that. And then from here we can re-engage this check strap. If you need to move it up or down, do so until you find the peg that it is supposed to click into. Once it's lined up with that peg, push up until you hear it click in. And now the glove box closes like normal. I hope you found this video helpful. If you like the video, please click the like button and consider subscribing to my channel for more content like this. Thanks, and have a great day.